What if I told you everything we've done in the name of diversity, we've done wrong? Think about how when we have conversations, right? Whether it's about race, whether it's about gender, whether it's about LGBT, it really doesn't matter what the content area is. We have created divisiveness. When in reality, what we talk about is celebrating diversity. If we truly are celebrating diversity, it is fully inclusive. It is not a situation where we are weaponizing privilege. It is not a situation where we are stepping up into a position and we are shaming, blaming, or passing judgment. That's how we create disenfranchised people of privilege who then act on their entitlement. That's how we get to the point where we're standing on two sides, when in reality, we are all in it together. And when we begin to start to think about how to do it differently, we recognize that there will never be a kumbaya moment. There will never be a time where this entire country is anti-racist. There will never in this country be a time when everyone is a feminist. There will never be a time when we all stand and come together and say, we all think exactly the same way. That's not diversity. What diversity does is it celebrates the vastness of what we think and believe. That does not mean that we have the right or even the intent to hurt one another. It does not preclude nor eliminate the concept of healing. But when we stand in a place that says, you're wrong because you were born into this target or that privilege, we have done nothing but set things up to fight. So I contend that there are ways that we can come together. Because bottom line, I don't have to like you, accept you, or know you to be respectful. And the foremost thing I must do is respect myself. That's where I find my ability to respect others. That's where I find my ability to respect the planet, my environment, the world. There's a way through this, but we aren't doing it the right way.